prisoner squats. Go here. Now, a few things. You want to get your femur bones rotated slightly open. Here's what I don't want. When you go down, your knees in like this, it's hard though to push your knees out and your toes stay straight. So you want your toes in line with your knees. And if you keep your femurs open, it's gonna work your glutes more and allow you to get deep without your hip flexors getting in the way. Keep your chest up, butt out. I always say tits up, ass out. You're gonna go here, right there. I'm gonna show you from the side. If you want to finish at the top and squeeze your butt, that's fine too. Prisoner squat.